Let's see another example on articulation point. Here our target is to detect the articulation points. Let's consider this graph here. Zero, node 0 is our starting node. If we draw the tree corresponding to this graph, as 0 is our starting node, 0, we can traverse 0 to 1, then 1 to 5. So 0 to 1, 1 to 5. Okay. If I put the discovery time of this vertices, this equal to 1. If I denote this or discovery time with t, then it will be 2, it will be 3. Okay. Then after traversing or reaching 5, we will return back to 1, then 0. Then we will start traversing the untraversed child of node 0. So we will go to 2 or we can go to 3. So if we choose node number 2, then we can write here 2. Okay. Then from 2, we can go to 3 or we can go to 4. So if I go to 4, it will be something like this, 2 to 4. Then from 4, we can go to 3. So it will be something like this. From 3, we have option to go to 2, but we won't go there because 2 is already visited. At the same time, we won't go to 0 from 3 because it has already visited. So that's it. This is our 3. If I write the discovery time, it will be d equal 4. Here d will be 5. Here d will be 6. Now mark our low time. Before that, we have to find out the back edge. Here is an edge, but we didn't use it, so it will act as an back edge, and at the same time, it will be another back edge. So if I put those back edges here in our tree, 2 to 3, so one back edge will be this, and another back edge will be 0 to 3. So it will be 0 to 3. Okay, these are two back edges. Back edges. This is also a back edge. Now try to put low time. So the low time of root node will be, if I denote low time with L, it will be 1, where L equal to low. Now, as there is no option to reach any lower node other than 1 from 1 using any package, so low of this node will be 2 itself. Same goes for it, node number 5. Here discovery time is 3. We can't reach any node using a single package other than this node, where discovery time is 3. So the low time will also be 3 for this node. Now let's come to node number 2. Here in node number 2, we have option to reach discovery time 1 using a single package. Like from 2, we can come here, we can come here, and using this package, we can go to node number 0, where discovery time is equal to 1. So we can put low equal to 1 for this node. Same goes for 4, here low will be 1 because we can reach to node 0, where discovery time is 1. So we can put 1 here. Now for node number 3, we can go to node number 0, where discovery time is 1. So we will put low equal to 1 here. because we can reach to node number 0 from here using a single package. Yeah, we have another option to reach to node 2. So we can put low equal to 2 here as well. But as discovery time of node 0 is less than discovery time of node 2, we will choose the lower discovery time. We will try to choose actually lower discovery time. If we had the option to choose one of them, we will choose the lowest one. Okay, so we have put all discovery time and load time for every single nodes. Now it's time to find out the list of articulation point. So if I write a P list, we know we have a formula for detecting articulation point. Low of B must be greater than or equal to discovery time of U. If it is satisfied, then U is happy. Okay, but this formula is not for the root node. The root node will be an articulation point if there are more than one children. And here we see root node 0 has more than one child. So it will be an articulation point. Okay. So in our T list, we are getting node 0. Now let's come to 1, 5. So for 1, 5, here 1 is U, 5 is B, and low of 5 and this of 1, and here it is greater than, I mean, low of 5 is equal to 3 and this of 1 is equal to 2, as 3 is greater than 2. So we can say that here 1 is an happy. So we will put 1 here. Now, as 5 is a leaf node, so we can say that leaf node will not be a candidate for articulation point. Now let's come to 2, 4. Here, low of 4, this of 2, and low of 4 equal to 1, and this of 2 equal to 4, and it should be greater than or equal to low of B, but it's not true. So we can say that 2 is not happy. Now let's come to 4, 3, low of 3 is of 4, 1 not greater than 5. So 4 is not happy. Okay, that means here only 0 and 1 is an articulation point. Other than that, no nodes will be considered as articulation point. That's it. Hope you have got the points and thank you so much for your time.